Linux is that we are providing is fully supported. So it's a product on the move. You can use it for whatever application you want. The way I look at it is, internet creates an environment where only your imagination restricts you in what you want to use it for. So that's question number one, basically. If you look at the whole idea of applications on this, there are many, many Linux applications that are available today, whether they are for school or they are for many other typical office applications. So if you want to use whatever is available, you can use it in multiple languages. So that is addressed. The other idea that you want to use some other application which you've earlier developed in a Microsoft environment, add the Microsoft software, add a disk drive, and here you are, you can go. So all options are available, but we believe that simplicity, ease of use, making it available at a price point was extremely critical. So without cutting out any functionality, we've actually created the price. Would you like to add to that?
Yeah, if I may add, we have to take a bigger picture of what HCL has done here today. This is an act of category creation. And category creation is always hard. So you first take a step looking at the market, saying where is the space that I can guess where these products will get introduced and how it will be used. And our humility teaches us that ultimately we are actually not that great at guessing it. Okay? Yeah. The reality is that the free market will tell us how they want to use the product. And as the product rolls out over a period of time, I'm sure most of you in the audience probably don't remember how the first generation iPod actually looked like. It is so different from what they sell today that you probably wouldn't recognize it. As an analogy, you'll probably see a tremendous amount of evolution as this product gets created and gets rolled out and different people use it. The most exciting thing for us as component suppliers or technology suppliers or platform suppliers to this is the fact that now we have a way to take that technology out to market. And very, very quickly as our roadmap rolls out and a lot of different possibilities emerge around which these things can be built, we'll learn a lot. And maybe a year from now, we'll come and share with you all the learnings we've had. But this is category creation. This is classic category creation. We're going to learn a lot as we go along.
Actually, when the Nano car was launched, whoever thought that a doodhwala would be thinking of using it? Whoever thought that an auto rickshaw would like to replace by a Nano? Nobody thought that way. When Tata's created that product, they created a convenience for the masses at a price point that is affordable. That's exactly our objective.
Mr. Shiva, I have a question.
Yeah.
You have been working with so many vendors in India as well. What expectations you have from HCL Infosystems? Because this is an entity that has the sourcing efficiency as well. Wonderful. The sourcing efficiency.
Yeah.
It has the wonderful channels network.
Yeah.
Tata as a group, Mr. Ratan Tata really told this is a promise and I should abide by the promise. Even though it's not very feasible on the economic front, but it was a promise. I think HCL is similarly positioned in my reckoning. In your thoughts, how do you like HCL function in India at a time when you help roll out the WiMAX and connectivity density is increasing? What expectations you have from HCL? Can you replicate what Mr. Tata did, when Mr. Ratan Tata did? I mean, you work with so many vendors. How would you like HCL to behave so that they take the computing and entertainment combo to the Indian hinterlands? What's the challenge for HCL? And what expectations do you have from this company?
So I think my last foil that I shared with you, kind of in a very humble manner, puts up a challenge for us that we can all go after. Right? It's big, and I couldn't have asked for a better platform than an HCL launch to come out with something like that. Right? There is one small piece of it that Intel does. Right? We are able to bring the technology out, and we can actually underpin the market with a lot of different things having to do with our economies of scale and our ability to manufacture these in hundreds of millions of units. But we are not the guys who bring these things in the package that the ultimate user uses it. The ultimate user buys an experience. The ultimate user wants connectivity, right? What we would like, we couldn't have asked for a better partner, which shared almost exactly the same view. Ajay actually wrote about this 2 or 3 years back in a document that he created for the government. And what we are doing here is almost implementing that document, right? and
connectivity, which is broadband, internet, and content. Those are the three virtuous cycles that actually created the TV broadcasting market. When TV prices came down, cable wala stepped in, provided great, whatever connectivity that they had, not great connectivity, but very low cost, and content happened for those 200, 250 channels that exist today. Something similar is going to happen now, because now you actually have computing in your hands. You want more and more applications, you want broadband, you want connectivity, and I think what we have done today is a major step in making this virtuous cycle happen. And that's why I said right at the beginning, but I believe now I can realize the dream that I started with in this country.
Hello.
Next.
Biggest problem in the low-cost PC, and we've seen other vendors bring out low-cost PC, is the fact that the dealer is not willing to push that product into the market. What is your strategy to address the dealer margin on these low-cost products?
You'll be surprised. What we believe is that the demand for the customer is what will drive the market. And we have changed our complete channel strategy. And we believe that as a result of that, you will see phenomenal demand for this market and people will want to buy this product. And dealers, channel partners, large format stores are all eagerly waiting for this product. So you will see a completely different strategy. We have learned from what we did in the past. When we came in last time, we said, we'll not do this, we will not do this, we will do this. We've learned. Now it's a completely new slate we have started with. And one major thing that we have done now is that it's come in a small format. It's come in a laptop type format, which works on normal batteries, which is a very big difference. Earlier, we couldn't handle the power problem of India. With this, we are actually handling the power problem of India. So we believe that now it's a complete package. It's simple to use. It can work on batteries, and battery life is pretty good. And it has the ease of use, which will make it go much, much bigger in the marketplace. So we have addressed all the issues that you're talking about.
No, I'm just asking one issue.
Yeah.
What is the dealer margin on these
I'm
kind
not
of products? Would be equivalent to mobile phones?
Sorry?
Will the margin on a low-cost PC like this, 14,000 per hertz, will be
we talked to you
similar
separately
to
what our details of the dealer margin are, but it's you will find that they're pretty attractive.
And what kind of support would I have to buy a support from HCL, or is it embedded into the product price?
It comes with a 1-year warranty.
1-year warranty, and that includes
you return the bench. You return it to our centers, and we'll fix it and we'll give it back to you. And if people buy in large volumes, so let's say a corporate buys 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, we have a plan to provide you on-site support as well. So you have the options to choose any of our services. You can get remote service from our 24/7 call center. So you can get to our remote service center, call them on the phone, they will fix most of your problems. And if it needs a part replacement, they will inform the engineer and you can pick up that part. Or if you have on-site service available, they'll come and fix it in your office.
So the warranty includes collection and repair.
Yeah.
And is this compatible or upgradable to WiMAX in the future?
Sorry?
If WiMAX happens in 1.5 years,
yeah,
would this PC be able to function?
Naturally. Naturally.
Because I saw 802.11 configuration.
No, you can upgrade to that. That's not a problem. You'll see many versions of this. This is the beginning.
And the CD drive version would be expensive by how much?
Sorry?
If the CD drive is embedded...
Those are all options. You just attach an external drive. We didn't want to make this product cumbersome and big. We want to make it simple.
An external drive?
Yeah.
Ajai Chowdhry,
Yeah.